Hello, it's Aficionado. So I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Sean Christian Leather cigar case. So I actually have one of his cases already, and I absolutely love it. So I'm super excited to see the new that he sent me. His bags are always like super good quality. Sean Christian Leather. Luxury leather, actually. Alrighty. So you really can never have too many cigar cases, just because different outfits, different bags, you don't want to keep the same one all the time. Alrighty. Beautiful boxing. Very nice. The logo here. Ooh. Nice velvet dust bag. All right, Sean Christian, what do you have for me here? Super cute so far. The color is beautiful. I can see the color already. Ooh. I love it. 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 So this is the nice clutch size. So literally, like, even if I have on like this outfit, which is totally freaking ridiculous for my girlfriend Key Pieces in Atlanta. She's in Buckhead, Atlanta. So you guys definitely have to, as a matter of fact, I'll tag her so that you know where to get this ridiculous amazingness of a skirt. So goes perfectly with something like this. You can just carry it like that. See? Nice size. So this is nice leather green with the embossed logo here. Gorgeous. So let's open it up and see. Oh, very nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So it looks like you can fit maybe 3 sticks in there. Good size. Fit about 3 sticks in there. You can close this, of course. You fit your torches in here, and your little accoutrement, your lighters and your cutters and things, and these little pockets. Maybe a pin here. Very, very, very beautiful. Thank you so much, Sean Christian. Yay! I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see like how it looks if I like hold it on my arm. Look how cute it looks with this Key Pieces dress. I love it. Well, this Key Pieces skirt. I love it. Y'all like it? So this is Sean Christian Leather, Sean Christian Luxury Leather. You guys make sure you go check him out. He definitely has every color you can think of these cases. He has this one. He has a really nice blue one. He had a red one. I think the red one sold out really, really fast. But he has other styles, larger ones. I think this may be the smaller one, but I'm not the smallest one, but I'm not sure. But definitely go check him out. Again, thank you so much, Sean Christian. Mwah. See you guys.